Hello my people, guys. On this video I'm going to be making ordered. So I got an order for fried rice and the chicken with beef. So this is the beef. So after this I'm also going to be showing you guys how I prep and watch my chicken, because this beef and this chicken, they are going alongside with the fried rice. So what I did here was just to add my onions. The beef have been thoroughly washed. I added my onions, bay leaf, and some aromates. That is what I just added to it. So I'm going to be adding salt. I will also add salt. So after adding this salt, just cover it and let it simmer. So this is it after some minutes. So I just, all I just need to do was just to turn it, make sure that everything is well, incorporated. Yes, I'm going to allow it to steam a little before adding water, because I want those ingredients, I want everything, to be intact. Yes, as you can see over here, I've already added a little bit of water, to it. So this is it. The meat is almost ready. So this is how the size looks. Some are bigger while some are smaller. Yeah. So this is it. This is exactly what they ordered for. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to, remove them, then add it to my air fryer. I use air fryer for this meat. So I'm going to be removing them one after the other from the pot. So at the end of the day, this meat tastes so yummy, and all the ingredient was inside. So I just, Kukuma just use my oven to dry it, because it will be more faster since I'm cooking, fried rice and the chicken with beef. So I need something, that will be very, very fast for me. So I decided to use my oven. So I just, put everything in my oven tray.